Before we can begin construction, we got to start abatement. We can't actually let anybody inside the building because there's mold in there. And so today, we're kicking off all of the abatement here at both sites. Whenever you're buying commercial real estate assets, a big piece of it is actually checking out the environmental conditions and running tests of both buildings. Both the buildings we purchased, we found mold, and there's some disgusting rat stuff in one of the buildings. Abatement takes about 2 weeks for both of these buildings, and we have to do that legally before we can get any of the construction workers inside to start the demo and really kick off construction.
Before BorderX moves in, we got a lot to do. Let's see what we're up against.
So we'll see here that there's been a tremendous amount of rain. That rain has come through. That rain has basically rotted out this wood. Believe it or not, this building's in way better shape than the other one. I know it looks like these guys are right out of Breaking Bad, but they're just removing mold. This is where we're gonna start all the demolition. There's all this stuff we gotta get rid of. There's also a tremendous amount of mold. And so we're gonna show you some of that mold. And while we should be wearing respirators and not be in here like this, you can see all the mold all over all these walls. Apparently there's a water leakage that's been here for probably 10 years and it's just never been addressed. And so because of that, we're left with what you can't tell, but smells terrible. And this is just how bad it is. Sometimes finding mold is super difficult and requires a lot of testing. In our case, we're pretty lucky. You can see it right away, pretty obvious. Once you find it, call the environmental consultant and get them in here and get the proper test done.
While this is going on, we're gonna go try to pull our demo permits, which means the next video is demo. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can check it out.